centrifugal acceleration is. What is centrifugal acceleration?
Come on, Casey, you can do it. I believe in you.
Oh, come on, we need
Over
to
time.
Yeah, it's not someone, it's many people.
How do they know how much it is weighs?
200 years of
Towards the middle, very good.
And then it's velocity.
It took 42 people.
The acceleration
people, yeah.
towards the centre of the circle. So when something's travelling in a circle, it is constantly accelerating towards the centre.
Oh yeah, I can do that easy.
So in circular motion, it's a constant speed. It's constant speed. It's a constantly changing velocity. Its velocity at any given time is at a tangent to the circle it's travelling on. And the acceleration is perpendicular to that tangent, that is towards the centre.
How do they know that?
If it's going in a clockwise direction, it's constantly turning right.
Do you know we have like 15 minutes? No, never mind. An hour and 15.
I did, which is why I'm trying to get through this so that we can get on with the demonstration.
Okay.
And if you're going anti-clockwise, then you're constantly turning left.
So is that like when you're in a car when you turn in?
Yep, it's the same thing that stops the car crashing into the corner because you have to accelerate into the corner in the direction that you turn. And so turning a corner in a car is a balance between the centrifugal acceleration inwards and the friction of the tyres preventing the car from sliding outwards.
Nice
Thank
bag.
you.
Cars don't have centrifugal watches.
So gravitational acceleration,
Don't.
or the gravitational force on an object in orbit determines its velocity. By that formula there.
I'll give you what? I'll give you a 50-cent discount on this catapult.
I give you khabib.
You trying to say kebab?
Khabib.
So following on from that, this
You pay $7,
Can
I give
be-
you khabib.
What about drink?
calculated.
You don't get drink, you get khabib. Make it $9.
You my own car?
No khabib.
Alright, so whose catapult did you build again?
Luke's. I'm gonna get my dad.
Which Luke?
Nathan.
Give you a khabib.
There's only one.
I'm gonna get my
Because
dad to buy
he
these.
didn't build.
And then I'll
He
drive to school and I'll
assisted
do a
Luke
couple of
in
songs.
building
I got
his catapult.
frustrated
like
and
maybe
glued
someday.
together for him.
You glued it.
Can I set up
Well, I
Yeah,
got him
yeah,
to push
to
the
buy a
glue
car
around
for
and he
you.
couldn't even do that properly.
No.
Oh,
It's
serious?
not a picture.
Haha.
Oh, it's on trading.
Okay, yeah. It didn't.
Oh, yeah, it's not much, man. Like, it's 60 grand. It's,
I made,
He wants to get
what
a,
is it? Is it a Hummer?
Yeah.
yeah.
My mate's got a Jeep.
Picked up.
My mate's got a Jeep.
You want to get a pimped out Hummer?
Oh,
Considering that you paid $2,000 on the game,
I didn't
Two.
pay.
Oh,
I didn't
you-
pay. I didn't pay.
you was thinking about it.
No, I just quit because either I was gonna pay $2,000 or not play at all because it's a waste of time.
What's a waste of time?
Some game.
It's
Some
like
game.
Oh, a game?
Like-
2 grand?
I left.
he
for a long
was
time.
he was going to
Going to what?
pay $2,000 on the game.
You are a
The in-game
cockhead.
shit. I didn't. I left. I
Is it
left.
like strip poker or something?
No, it was one of those RPG
It's
games.
like World of Warcraft.
Oh.
But I didn't want it because I said either.
Worse.
Yes,
I
much
just
worse.
said I had two choices. Either I was gonna pay $2,000 or leave, and I left.
Isn't that game free anyway?
It's free, but you can pay for better stuff.
I'll just pay 2 grand and what, get another sword?
Nah.
It's not even real.
This was a long time ago.
No, it wasn't.
It is real. That's why the data's not real, data is real.
Oh.
A
Everyone
long time ago. What was this, like last term?
Oh, sorry.
What? Oh, he's like.
What did you decide to do with the 2 grand?
He didn't.
kept it.
And do what?
And you know that black car that I have? Have you seen it?
Have you ever played with it?
Play with what? I'm
Play
gonna
with it as much as I do.
Did you change your ringtone?
play with what? Oh my god.
It's just asking the question.
Answer
That
it.
was me, Mark.
Just answer the
I
question.
don't know.
Oh,
I don't know.
So what
you're
does
talking
that say
So
on
you
the
don't
second
know if it's valid
equation?
or not.
M or mass of satellite.
Real layman.
about. I don't know what you're saying.
Anyway, no, I haven't seen your black car. What'd you get?
M1 and
Okay.
M2, mass, satellite, mass of the Earth.
It's like 2002 model. It's not, I didn't get it now. Let's hold it.
Satellite.
3.9 V6 Calais.
So you got a Kelly.
I didn't get it. I had it a long time ago.
Where's it gone?
I still have it.
Yeah, I changed the one
my-
to two. because-
That's my mum.
isn't it?
Oh, yeah, alright.
Yeah, for the third
She's
time.
gonna give that to me. That's pretty good.
No one else
And I'm just gonna change it to plate number to Oof.
You don't need to change the plate.
Yes, I do. I have to. That's
You're gonna have to
important.
pay like another $500 a year. Just change
Oh, I'll pay 1,000 in the Anna kid.
That's stupid.
Well, how much?
3 zeros, double FT.
I-
Three numbers, 3 letters.
Get a Khabib.
Yes, I haven't realised I wasn't entirely
Okay, Bob.
consistent with the subscript.
And I changed the wheels.
Let me think about that for a second. I just don't care.
You don't care anymore? Why?
Because if you can't work out that MS is the same as MSAT, then, especially when it says equals,
Well, that's bad then.
screw you.
Anyone else?
I'm a normal kid.
Okay. So, once again, this shows that
I
the
don't like this class. It hurts my head.
velocity, orbital velocity of the satellite, depends only on
Gum of
the mass of the thing it's orbiting, for example, the Earth,
Gravitational mass.
and the distance from the centre of
No,
mass,
it's
which we have done
gravitation
earlier.
times mass of the
The
Earth.
mass of the satellite has nothing to do with how fast it goes, or with how far out it travels, or with the energy, etc.
Oi, said Morgan. He gave away
What
3
matters?
prize today.
Or the force on it. What matters?
And he said he's
The mass
better
of
than
the Earth, the radius of its
I'd
orbit,
appreciate
which includes the distance from the centre of the mass
Should have seen him.
to the
Straight
surface
through
plus
both
the
sides of
altitude
down.
from the surface.
Someone's
Thing. V is velocity. Then problem 4.3 in the text goes for that, as do 4 and 5.
Don't.